Hello friends, welcome to Spoken English course. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to talk about traveling to a new city or country. You will listen to a story of two friends, Olivia and Ethan, who are planning a trip. They will share their travel experiences, daily conversations, and important phrases you can use in real life. Listen carefully. Repeat after them and practice your English speaking. Let's begin. Hi Ethan, are you excited about our trip? Yes, I'm very excited. This is my first time traveling to another country. Me too. I feel a little nervous, but mostly happy. What time does our flight leave? Our flight leaves at 10:30 in the morning. We should check in at least 2 hours before. Right, let's go to the check-in counter. Good morning. May I see your passports and tickets, please? Sure. Here they are. Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in? Yes, 1 suitcase each. All right, your luggage is checked in. Here are your boarding passes. The boarding gate is number 12. Thank you very much. That was easy. Now we have to go through security. Yes. Remember to take out your laptop and put it in a separate tray. Okay? Oh, and I should take off my belt too. Right. It's always a little stressful, but it will be fine. Wow, this airplane is huge. Yes, it's very comfortable. Do you want the window seat? Yes, please. I love looking outside. Me too, but you can sit there this time. Good morning. Please fasten your seatbelts. The flight will take 6 hours. 6 hours. I guess I will watch some movies and I will read a book. We finally arrived. The airport is so big. Yes, and everything looks modern. Let's go through immigration. May I see your passport and arrival card? Please, here you go. Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit? Tourism. How long will you stay? 2 weeks. Okay, enjoy your stay. That was simple. Olivia, should we take a taxi or a bus to our hotel? Let's take a taxi. It will be faster. Hello? Where do you want to go? Please take us to the Sunrise Hotel in the city center. Sure, get in. Thank you. Wow, the city looks amazing already. Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel. Do you have a reservation? Yes, we booked a room online under the name Olivia Brow. Let me check. Yes, here it is. A double room for 2 nights. That's right. Here are your room keys. Breakfast is served from 7 to dice. Enjoy your stay. Thank you very much. This city is so beautiful. Look at the tall buildings and bright lights. Yes, and the people are very friendly. Let's go to the main square. I want to try local food. What about you? Me too. Let's ask someone for a good restaurant. Excuse me, can you recommend a nice place to eat? Sure. Go straight and turn left. There is a famous restaurant there. Thank you. Welcome. How many people? 2, please. Here is the menu. Everything looks delicious. I want to try something traditional. Same here. Let's order local dishes. All right. I recommend the grilled fish and the rice with vegetables. That sounds perfect. We'll have that. And some juice, please. Sure. Traveling to a new country is such a great experience. Yes, we learn not only about places, but also about people and culture. And we practice English at every step. At the airport, in the taxi, at the hotel, and in restaurants. Exactly. Daily conversations become natural when we travel. Friends, let's review some useful phrases from today's conversation at the airport. May I see your passport? Here you go. In a taxi, please take us to the city center. At the hotel, do you have a reservation? Yes, under the name Olivia Brown. At the restaurant, I'd like to try something traditional. Asking for help? Excuse me, can you recommend a good place to eat? Remember, when you travel, these short sentences are very useful. Ethan, I'm so glad we traveled together. Me too. I learned so much and enjoyed every moment. Let's plan our next trip soon. Sure. Maybe another country next time. That's the end of today's story. We hope you enjoyed this travel conversation. Try to practice these sentences and use them when you travel. Thank you for watching Spoken English course. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations. See you in the next lesson.